Hey guys, Joe Smith here. This video is kind of a request video from Mr. Dale Lucid. Check out his channel. He's a pretty interesting guy. Lives in Arizona. Joe Smith thinks, but Joe Smith just met him through the Bears live stream, and he subbed to Joe Smith. Joe Smith subbed back to him, and he's a really cool guy, man. He's really neat guy. You gotta check him out, Dale Lucid. But he's been doing some Harbor Freight tool cart modifications and turned one into a computer cart. And he's wanting to see Joe Smith's shop computer set up here. So here you go, Dale, and heroes, everyone. Just kind of use some scrap plywood. Got a little small battery backup. Surge protector up there with a speaker. Got one of the computer speakers clear up there. It's a lawnmower blade rack Joe Smith welded up over there. Of course, we got lots of fire extinguishers by every door around here. You open the door up. If you need to, you can staple papers up there, diagrams or phone numbers, business cards. Got a little fold down keyboard tray. That's what this angle piece here then is for when it's closed. And of course got a little shelf underneath there. That just folds down like that. Got a mouse there. Pricing gun, that's where the little labeler thing that goes that Joe Smith was using on the blue wrench is. You got your monitor, got a little barcode scanner thing there. Computer up there. Not the original insides. It's been rebuilt, upgraded. Got network hub and Wi-Fi access point in here. And then we got some cables running, and got over here a second monitor. Joe Smith cut a hole in the wall and mounted it inside the wall there, so it's kind of recess mounted a bit. And keyboard tray, mouse over here. You slide that in. Of course, wireless, so you can move around if you need to. That way, when you got stuff taking part on the workbench here, you have your parts diagrams up there. You don't have to run back and forth to the computer. You don't have to worry about having laptops sitting on the workbench. And just in case you're wondering, you got little parts bins all up around there. Plus toolboxes. And then another couple more toolboxes and cabinets and stuff underneath. Of course, a super awesome OSA tool holder that Joe Smith loves so much. And these others were like cheapies on Amazon. They're real cheap, but Joe Smith just wasn't very impressed with them, so Joe Smith never did a video about them. But the if you want something nice, go with the Ulsa. That's the real deal. A lot better than them cheapies on Amazon. Extra air fittings and power washer stuff and pins, nuts and bolts assortments and light bulbs and little fuel filters for 2-cycle equipment or push mowers and stuff, and spark plug assortment and some miscellaneous bins there. Got more sort of over here is all bolts and small pieces from steel power equipment. Of course, got your phosphoric acid and alcohol for cleaning and Windex and stuff. So, and your other brake cleaner, car cleaner, battery cleaner, oil, lubricant stuff up there. Oh, and there's the other computer speaker up there. And got some pull cord there for 2-cycle equipment. Those were like in a box of tools at auction Joe Smith got. Had them laying around in the tool cabinet at home and never used them there, so brought them here to maybe get some use out of them. They're pretty neat little screwdrivers. So Smith just never really worked on much with that small screws. Nice thing about these Pittsburgh wrenches from Harbor Freight. Got a little tray, you can just grab the tray and take it over to where you're working. Smith's got a ton of these Harbor Freight ratchets all over the place because on the Harbor Freight coupon phone app, there's like a $5 off coupon that never expires, so every time you go Harbor Freight, you can get another ratchet for $5 off. Will Smith had those socket holders before he found out about the Ulsa socket holders, but these work okay. They're not as fancy as the Ulsa ones, and Ulsa are nice, bright, pretty colors, but these work okay for a cheap alternative. Some punches and that. It's kind of the miscellaneous drawer. Got saw blades and timing light and soldering irons. Like 3 or so in here. Hot glue gun. Some old cheap air tools. The grinder drawer. Always sharpening blades here and grinding on stuff. But yeah, or most of these are just deals got at auction or something. That's why I just kind of variety of brands, just kind of whatever Joe Smith found cheap at auction. Find something cheap at auction that works, and you got more money, buy more tools. Work good enough for what Joe Smith needs. But yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to kind of show off the computer setup to Mr. Dale. So check out Dale Lucid. And if this is your first time watching Joe Smith's video, thanks for dropping by. Feel free to hit the like button or subscribe, or check out some more Joe Smith's videos. But hope everyone has a good week. Joe Smith signing out.